Once upon a time, in not-so-far-away Doral, Little Red Riding Hood had a very important mission.
I've got fresh pastries for Grandma, and I look fabulous doing it.
Her designer red cape, limited edition, imported, probably cost more than your rent. Well, hello there. Going somewhere special?
Grandma's house. Try not to make it weird.
Wolf tries to be charming, trips, knocks over a picnic basket. Jam flies everywhere in slow motion. And just like that, disaster struck.
My cape! This is organic, small-batch artisan strawberry jam.
At least it's not blueberry. But Little Red wasn't worried, because she knew exactly where to go. Elite Press Cleaners, where even fairy tale emergencies get handled like magic. Professional cleaning, pressing, attention to detail.
They saved my cape and my reputation.
Do they do fur?
Let's not push it.
From jam disasters to everyday wear, trust the experts who keep Doral looking sharp.
Don't risk your favorite outfit. Take it to Elite Press Cleaners.
Elite Press Cleaners, Doral. Look your best every time. Visit us today.